Hi, I would like to show you how to make clarified butter. The other name is also ghee. What I do, I used unsalted butter. It's your choice. If you want, you can always get salted butter. I'll also use a slow cooker. As you can see in this picture, I just basically set up on the low settings in the slow cooker overnight, and after so many hours you're going to see on this video for example, for my case, after 12 hours I basically pick up all those little foams, whatever it is, just the gunk comes up as a foam, take it over on a separate dish, and I never stir it. That's the trick, because you want that gunky lactose related items or the dairy related stuff. As you can see over here, it sits at the bottom or surrounding the pot. You just basically wait when everything is done. As you can see, after 12 hours or maybe a little more, it's up to you, but it's like when I get all the foam is done, I use the little colander, and without touching the bottom, I take all the clarified butter, and I put them into a big thick glass jar and pour them into masonry jars. Hope this helps. Good luck with your diet. Bye.